Good morning, y'all. I've had some people commenting, trying to guess what it was I was painting the other day. And I guess it would be like a multi-purpose building. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on the inside here. Still need to get some stairs built. But this is going to be like a multi-purpose building, mostly a guest cabin, but I could definitely use it as a she shed area for me when it's just me in here. Building it so that I have a family member, my dad can come visit from my home state, and he can have a place to stay. So this is I think it's a 14 by 20 building that we had built by a local contractor, a neighbor of mine who does great work. We did it to my specifications, how I wanted it. I looked at the sheds that they have around the area, and I kept coming back to just having somebody build it. So I've already been outside in the dirt with my dog jumping on me. So I looked economically, it just made more sense to have somebody build it. There's some building companies that do great with building the sheds and just having them delivered, but by the time I factored in the cost and everything else that comes with it, it was going to be about the same price or maybe $1,000 less to just have somebody build it. Now, I know that's depending on your area where you are, and that's not going to be the same everywhere. But anyway, I was able to build this how I wanted it, the specific size that we wanted. And we also were able to make the roof a little bit taller, and that's going to hopefully make the space seem a little bit bigger. This is just going to be the living room area for right now. Also, the other plus is I was able to put in regular windows rather than the shed windows. So you can get bigger windows put into whatever size that you want. I know some of the shed places you can do that as well. But I'm probably gonna make like a little kitchenette area right here. I don't even know if you're gonna be able to see this view, but the barn's out that way. I love being able to look like maybe over a kitchen sink and seeing the barn. And then I went ahead and had him frame out 2 other small spaces. Again, I really don't know. This is a work in progress, what we're gonna do. I don't know how it's gonna evolve. I don't know if I'm just gonna have some off-grid type things in here. I know we'll definitely hook up to electrical, and we have well water here, so it's not too far from this right here where my well pump is, so that wouldn't be too difficult to hook into. So we'll just have to see what else we do. But I wanted to have a separate little bedroom area here, and it's not real big. I haven't actually measured it out, but I do know that it'll fit a full bed and have a little bit of room in here. But I just wanted a separate area where you could shut the door if for some reason you had another person in here, and just have some privacy area. This is a journey that I'm going to be partaking. I'm going to be trying to do a lot of stuff myself. Well, we might be hiring out, of course, some things. I'm not sure how fast this process will go. I know sometimes you want to get projects done really quickly, but you just kind of have to do things as you go, as you have the time. As you guys know, I'm a single mom. I have triplet toddlers. I have an older child, and I just have to find the time when I can to do projects. Right now I'm painting the outside because why not? You can do that. I know some people wait to do that at the end. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that now. There's really no rules to DIY. So don't let that discourage you from doing the projects you wanna do. I know a lot of people like to say, oh, you gotta do it this way and you gotta do it that way. And yes, there is a correct way to do certain things, but just do it as you can. Like if you only have a little bit of money to buy 1 roll of insulation, do that. And it might take you a while to build up that, but eventually it's gonna get done, because a lot of the projects I like to do are doing them debt-free. So that's why they take a lot longer. If you're interested, definitely like my page. Please give me a follow, and we'll be on this journey together.